Hey everyone, it's Esther from Ash Grove, and I'm sitting here in my office, and I have just started something that I'm really excited about. Let me show you. We finally have the opportunity to get our Black Folks Camp 2 Unity Blaze certification. So excited about doing this. Let me tell you a little bit more. Black Folks Camp 2 is a strategic company whose focus is to increase inclusion in the camping community. And I first met Earl Hunter, who started the company back in 2019 when he was just getting it off its feet. And I met him in a coffee shop in Brevard because that's where he's from. And he was wearing a Black Folks Camp 2 t-shirt. And I said, hey, I like your t-shirt. And we started having a conversation, and he told me what he was doing. And he's been traveling the country for the last several years, getting this up off the ground, putting the certification program in place. And now they're offering the certification locally in the Brevard area to the campgrounds and stuff here. So I am doing the certification. Mark's going to do it too. And hopefully this will add to our mission, which is to be an inclusive and welcoming campground. So fantastic. I'm gonna let you guys know when I'm all done with it and when we can officially put our own Unity Blaze stickers up on our campground and on our website.